Hi, I'm Melanie Gamponia. I am reporting on my final exam on business application 115. This is my final report about my project and which came from the SMG Agri Trading sales data. I input the customers' names and then the very first name, last name. I did I did the the left function to separate the first name and the last name, the first name, and then which is the mid function to separate the last name and the len. So this is a formula that I make, and then after that I calculate the total sold of the pair of the product name. Now, which is I use sum function to multiply each for the sale price and to the unit sold, which is I4 to the and which it is the total sold. This is the result, and then I drag down to copy and to anchor the result, and then I I have here the gross sales, which is I use also the sum function, the J4, and then the up to the J41 to get the gross sales. So this one is not yet in inventory, proper inventory, because I have not yet the expenses that they had in the business. So and I am waiting for their inventory for the expenses that they have. This is where I make to to make a report. So I make also a pivot pivot table, which is I range the table range up to there, up in this customers up to the 41J, and then it is the result. So customer's name I put in the row, and then this one, and this is the result. Then I made a slicer of unit sold. So this is not sold. Then so cages. So this one of the and then this is the slicer. This is my pivot table. Pivot table. And then chart. My chart is also I made a pivot table, and then I have to look the total products sold in every product. So I use a chart of this. So this is one. So most that this chart is which we that I unrep that I see is the laying chicken is more sales. And then so this is the vitamin. So there are few who customers buy vitamins and cages. So the business actually had sometimes they sold it by set, which is they have laying chickens, cages, and vitamins for the all set. But in the other month, which is May and June, so I have not yet had the report. So next is the lookup sheets. So the lookup sheets, I made a data validation of the customer names, which is customer names, data validation. Okay, so that's one. Then I had a lookup of the place, date, and ID product. Product name, sale price, sold, and total sold. So I use a VLOOKUP formula. So I will look up the customers before, and then my table array is in the sales sheets, and then the column of the place is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then also this is the place. The same process I make in this, but I replace every column of the date, the product name, and the sales price. Next is the product name. So I have product name, and they need to look of every product has sold. So this is where, so I use sum if formula, and which is the sales of product name, and then the then the this one, the B20, and then the this one, sales, unit sold, which is unit sold. Unit sold is I44 to I41. So the same thing to the average if, and the count if. I made this formula, which is that. So this is where my report. So it is simple, and I know it has it has a very simple formula that I work with it. So to be friendly, and so this is my I hope you you understand this table, this spreadsheet that I made. So thank you so much.